So youths, this is our time ya kujipanga na tujue the way forward. And the best way ya kujipanga, because hatuna mtaji ya kuanza this, we begin by aligning ourselves to a camp, a political camp, which has the interests of the youth at heart. Are you together? Na mimi nikiangalia right, nikiangalia left, nikiangalia wapi, the only possible Nyaribari Masaba I can stand here and articulate my issues. Na niwaambie the only person who has youth interests at heart si mwingine bali nani? Moi?
After careful scrutinizing of all the 16 candidates contesting in Nyaribari Masaba MP seats, we as college and university students have unanimously agreed to support Honorable Elijah Moindi, the immediate former MP. He is the only leader who will equitably give bursaries fairly without just as we witnessed during his tenure. He is the hope we have as young people in secondary and tertiary institutions. How can we put our hope in swindlers? Leadership and education are inseparable. It's unfortunate that the youth form the huge population of voters but keep on complaining every day and do not vote to install the right leadership in our constituency. Just as a pupil is nothing without a teacher, Nyaribari Masaba is nothing without Honorable Moindi. During his tenure between 2013 and 2017, we witnessed tremendous development in the education sector. He built modern classrooms and dormitories across the constituency.
Comrades, power.
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 I'm Paminas Ochora. I come from Nyamasivi area, Nyaribari Masaba. I'm here to drum support for one Elijah Moindi, who was the immediate former MP 2013-2017. And as we all know, during that period, our constituency, students walipata bursaries in a fair manner, equal allocations were done. Another thing is about the allocation of money to schools. We know a lot of money is being dispersed by the government of Kenya to different institutions. But for our case, our institutions are not receiving those money equally, or they receive them delayed payments, some of which are not even facilitating the functions that they are supposed to do. So because of that, our schools are suffering, they are sabotaging our parents, they are struggling to raise the school fees, yet the government is raising those funds to the constituency levels. Kuna hii pesa ya Uwezo Fund, ingine ni ya Inua Jamii. Hata nyinyi mnajua it has been delayed, it's not being distributed equally, selective payments are being done. Now we want to vote that one out.
My name is Mercy Masika. I'm a comrade in Nyaribari Masaba, and I'm here to fully support Honorable Elijah Moindi as our next MP Nyaribari Masaba. During Elijah Moindi's time, we used to get water in schools, but now there is no water. Children are suffering. They go to rivers to fetch water. They use time they used to study to go and fetch water.
Asamarietane igongoro kwa nyantieka ko Sadson Saplo no yugi korwa Nyaribari Masaba Nyamasivi ekwali emechando nera basabete ire menge bona bono kero kende miaka ya maegangwe gutwara ngi chibesi che Uwezo Fund yale gokonya basagwa kanonya na matoboli na gokora bintu binde buna chi project elinde obogima bukagenderera chipase rinchi atuo muchando sana chinse mo chichi school chaito nchibolira amachi na muntu korukuru iskota ocha koma amachi na bolete elinda akoreki elinda tokonye nale koira chinga chiechi kubatebinga mosoka sobonge moche buna basaye motebya abantu buna chikura chiwa kumubegeri elinde chitariki echi chiboika twake chikura chaito ngora tochora umurayoli uranyare gokonya Nyaribari oli Elijah Moindi.
Kiasa marita ngoro ku John Mayagi Meraba seitere ikoronga rieramani abasa endoli balire round yeye ndoli kurutonde magena etogwa kare Elijah Moindi chukura weka tukora mangana itogendeka osanga kiabasa
egento giatoreta rero no kworoki Kenya Busi na Nyaribari Masaba ngomugambi omwororo no mugambi okuruka Elijah Moindi na rondo ro murisio ito Moindi gari kiama kiana Kenya ikikire kyo mongina mata karua no mogaka Raila Amolo Odinga mwanya kuunga Moindi obwa osware irukina Endorses usen oiri rukoti enda yonse ngibire pesa ya serikali Moindi no yogo chakolenda chibesa chia baboraka chibesa chechi ndakana chibasa licheito ne chibesa cha magendo Nyaribari Masaba
Kare